I've seen you. I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on.
So hey guys, good morning and welcome to my channel, and this is Shanice. So today is the 3rd of March and the time is 6:47 right now, and you guys must be wondering what am I doing with all the luggage that's behind me and what's up with the bus, right? So basically I'm off to a 3-day trip, 3rd, 4th, 5th of March to Mahabaleshwar with a company called Details Communication. So I'm going there for a reopening of a hotel cum resort called Saj on the Mountains. So we're going to be accompanied by fellow bloggers, YouTubers and journalist people, and the most best part about this trip is that Nikhil is also there. My best friend is there, so I have company. So I'm really excited about vlogging the entire trip and I'm hoping it's going to be fun. So yeah, let's go.
I've seen you. I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seems he lives in yesterday. If you play the way, well, I forgive you once again. I'm losing patience, and I know for sure that we've been right here before. I see the dangers, baby, I'm not crying over you. There's no point denying we're through, 'cause baby, I'm not crying over you. There's just shit that I've gotta do, so I'm not crying.
So we're just done having lunch, an amazing veg lunch. I think it's the best lunch I've ever had. Actually, veg food really tastes good sometimes, especially when you have it at restaurants like this. And now Nikhil is gonna fly his drone and give you all a tour of the entire property. So it's fun. I wish I had a drone. वैसे भी निखिल का drone मतलब मेरा drone है ना? Best friend sharing. So Nikhil is flying his drone around the property. More than seeing it on his video, like how the drone shots, like seeing him flying the drone live is much more fun. It's amazing. There's that thing. क्या हो गया है भाई? Too windy, is it? पर लग तो नहीं रहा है. Okay guys, so I just got back from lunch to my room, and when we reached the hotel, I wanted to give you guys a room tour, but I was too hungry and I was too tired after traveling, so I decided that I'll go eat first, then come and then give you guys a room tour. So if you're wondering where I'm sitting, this is the balcony area of my room. I think this is the best part of the room for me. I just love like things like this. You have like a personal space in your own room which is open and into the nature. I just completely love it. So let me give you a room tour quickly, because after this it's I think 3:15 right now, and at 4 o'clock we're gonna meet again. We're gonna be having some treasure hunt game which they're playing so that we can like tour the place for ourselves. So I think it's a good idea. Anyways, leave that, let's get to the room tour. So just look at this balcony. Isn't it beautiful? It's damn nice, right? I love it. And now let's get into the room. So it has a window like this, window slide or whatever, and so it has 2 beds, one to my left and one to my right. And no, this is not where my room ends. So ta-da! So this is how the door opens, and then you come. This is the main area. So this is the bed, and these are all where all the things are kept. and that's the mirror, and that's me. Hello. And this is a cupboard, and I guess this is a clothes dryer. And then coming to the bathroom, I really like it again. I really like the way they have made the bathroom. I mean, it has got plants ahead of the glass. I really like how it feels. It feels like you're showering out, like out in the nature, but not really in the nature. So I really like this, and yeah, so that's it. So that's it for my room tour, guys, and I'll catch you up in some time. So let me just rest for a while, and then I'll see you guys in some time. Cool, I'll see you guys the time I go for the treasure hunt. Okay. Look how Nick is looking like a cartoon.
Cheers, hey, I mean,
बच्चे बाइक पे राइड पे जाने का है. Here. So our group name is Mumbaikars, and not Mumbaikar Nikhil. That's because this partial guy out here decided to keep the name of the group as Mumbaikars. ये नहीं दिखाना है, सिर्फ Mumbaikar दिखाना है. So basically, all of us have formed teams here to play a treasure hunt game so that we can tour the place on our own and have fun as well. And we formed groups of 4 people each, and in our group there's Lavina. Hi. And her boyfriend Anish. And yeah, so we guys are in a group together, and I hope it's gonna be fun. So let's see.
So I'm not crying.
Hello, kid.
What kid? Hello. This is expensive glasses, by the way.
They're not meant, at least, for the purpose of right now.
Just kidding. क्या करनी है आपने? Please समझाओ. Audience को समझाओ.
I don't know. Ask her. She'll explain it better.
You know?
I guess so. So basically, she's gonna explain how the treasure hunt is gonna be now.
No, so basically, like we're gonna get clues, starting off with that, and then we're gonna have some couple of tasks, and it's around, we have to do it around a time, and we just have 1 minute to go. So it's like a treasure hunt.
Just 1 minute.
We're gonna have a tour of this entire property while having this treasure hunt, and by the end of it, we're gonna win a very big hamper.
So I'm excited just for the hamper and touring the place, not running around and doing the mehnat. So let's see. We are group number 5. 5 will win, definitely. Start. That's our first clue, and now we're off, headed towards that place. And same way you will get the tour of the entire place as well. So I'll try to shoot parts and bits of it so that you all can see how the place looks like. So now we're heading to the reception area, because that's our first clue. Dekho, everyone's running like junglis to get the clues. Okay, so we found a second clue to be as fountain, I think. So let's ask. यहाँ पे fountain कहाँ पे है? Fountain? कोई clue है यहाँ पे? Clue? Yeah. There. Come. Okay, so we come to the garden. Oh fuck. How do you?
एक मिनट.
You go. Get it.
Yeah, we'll just get it and come here.
Okay, so I think the second clue turned out to be right. Fountain. सही guess किया. So guys, we found a third clue, and now we're going to search our fourth clue. It's fun running around like a बच्चा.
खाना हिल रहा मेरे पे.
Please, Nikhil, don't start farting and stuff. Then back to this area with swings. So here is our fourth clue.
Yes. So this guy is Peter, and this guy is.
And this is our last clue now. So it's.
Okay, let's go.
I don't know how to play this. I'm gonna suck. So we've crossed so many clues and finally come to this one, where I think we have to do the mocktail tasting thing. And before this I was blindfolded, and it was so much fun for me. These guys are really good leaders. So anyways, excited. I hope we win it.
Yeah, we're a little ahead of our opponent team, so we might
You
just...
have 3 minutes, have to write down the ingredients of this.
Ingredients.
Okay,
Yep,
there's...
ingredients
Oh
of
shit,
this
I've
box.
left the
Okay.
notepad over
So we
there.
have to write the ingredients in this. we finally reached our final task. And after this, they'll tell who the winners or who the winning teams are. I'm not gonna take part in this one because I already took part in the blindfolded thing. So I guess now the others will take part.
Baby, I'm not crying on you. There's no point in lying with you. There's just shit that I've gotta do, so I'm not crying.
So we finally finished all the tasks and I almost broke my head, but thank God, God saved me.
That was bad.
Yeah, it is very bad. तुमने देखा होगा already slow motion में कि कैसे गिरी मैं. But it was fun. Thank God I didn't hit my head and bleed, otherwise I would have cried. Not really, not cried, laughed. That's how I am. And abhi there is some candy floss moment going on there. Look what am I eating after so many days. I think I haven't eaten it since 8th standard. But I used to eat it in the pink color and this is white, so. But chalega, after long it's fun. It's kind of nice. It feels like you've become a kid again. So it's fun.
To explore the property and also understand the different places which we have and also make teams that understand each other also more. This is for you.
So we won the gift finally.
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice. Congrats, man.
Thank you, Nikhil. Because of you we won.
Most welcome.
That's my That's heavy, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I just got back to the room and yeah, so we're done with all our tasks and I must say that it was super fun. I feel इतने दिनों के बाद कोई अच्छा सा game खेला, you know, like when you're small and you play like pakda pakdi and stuff, dumb charades and stuff with your friends. I think I had fun like that only today. And I'm so glad that we won this gift and we won it for the selfie challenge that we had in the group, in which Nikhil posted on his Instagram, and the person with the highest likes would get the gift. So Nikhil got 3,900 likes in 40 minutes. So we won, our group won the challenge and we won the gift. And yeah, so it was super fun. And इसमें क्या है खोल के बताओ क्या? Actually, I know what's inside, so probably I'll show it to you guys later. And whatever happened in this entire treasure hunt thing, you guys will see it in Nikhil's vlog. He's vlogged the entire thing, so I think I shouldn't say the same thing again because it will be a repetition for you guys who watch both of our videos. And I've just added a little bit of clips that you've already seen of whatever happened. So it was fun, and now the time is 6:30 and we have like a break until 8 o'clock. And after that we're meeting at the cafe down there called as Darwin for some cocktails and mocktails and have some like party and chill out time. So see you at that time. So guys, I just got ready right now and we have like a dinner come party right now. So I just got ready and I'm looking all dressed up right now. So this is the place where we're going to have our dinner come party thing. Yes. Looks nice, right? I like such dinner come party situations. It's so chilling and so nice. So let's have fun. I'll show you a bit and then I'll catch you back in my room. Bye.
I've seen you. I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember?
I'm not eating food. I'm already done eating a little bit of starters and having mocktails. So I'm just gonna have soup and this. What is this?
Strawberry cream ice cream.
Strawberry cream ice cream. He knows I'm on a diet, but best friends only spoil you. Chalega, I'll eat. I have no problem. And Nikhil को देखो पास्ता खा रहा है पास्ता.
अरे पास्ता.
अब क्या हुआ तेरा डाइट?
भूख मुझे लगी है.
भूख
मुझे लगी है तो एप्स मेरी रेडी है.
Okay guys, so I just got back to my room and the time right now I think should be 10:30 or something. and I ate like not too much, but I ate enough. And right now I'm very sleepy because I slept barely in the bus for like an hour or so, and now I'm just gonna crash, and I think we have to wake up by 7:30 in the morning if I'm not wrong, and we're leaving at 8:30 from here. So yeah, this will be the end of my vlog here for day 1 in Mahabaleshwar. So thank you so much for watching. Do like the video and comment about whatever you liked and whatever you want to say. Anyways guys, good night. Bye bye.